What's up YouTube people? Welcome to my channel. Hi, my name is Anisha De and you guys are welcome to my world. So guys, this is officially my first video. I never thought I'd be able to post YouTube content ever because from the past 2 years I have been planning for this day for the longest time now, but I am really not a person who can speak a lot. That's why I was very scared, like how could I post it, how could I make it. So I was really nervous when I really thought that I'll be putting on content online that is on YouTube. Speaking of that, you guys really don't know who I am as a person, so I would love to share myself with you, making you understand what kind of a person I am, and I would love to interact with you guys. I am someone who is a person in general who doesn't talk a lot, so it will be really happy to be with someone talk a lot. Speaking of that, I am introducing myself because I think that this is a first introductional video, so it's gonna be something introducing me. So hey guys, I am Anisha De. I'm 21-year-old. I am studying BCA, Bachelor's of Computer Application, and this is my final year. I'll be completing my graduation this year, so excited on that part. Speaking of that, I'm a Bengali. I can speak in Bengali, in Hindi and English. These are the 3 languages I only know, guys. Sorry, और कुछ नहीं आता. Speaking of that, I would love to make contents on Bengali and Hindi, and I'll be posting that. But due to the thing that I thought like it's a introduction video, so English would be something I'll be able to interact with a lot more people than my own people that are Bengali or Hindi. That's the reason I decided to do this video in English. I hope you understand it. So this channel is gonna be a lot about food, because as you can not understand, because I've never posted things that could make me understandable that I'm a foodie person, but I love food. I die for food. This is something I am a food person, a big food person. So this channel is gonna be a lot about food. Sometimes healthy, sometimes bingy, sometimes workout meals, and sometimes everything that's gonna make your life much more easier. And this channel is gonna be about some workouts too, because there will be challenge videos, there will be workout videos, there will be 24-hour videos, there will be everything. Recommendation video if you want me to do. I would love to do anything you want me to do this. So this channel is gonna be a lot fun, guys. So please stay tuned on this channel. I would love to make this journey happen with you guys. On that note, I would also love to tell you that this video is not something like a content. I always thought about posting a content, but this video is honestly about introducing myself, because I think that introduction is the best way to know and interact with the people, to tell you who I am, what I am, from where I have been. And honestly guys, I stay in Chittaranjan right now. This is my hometown, but due to the college thing going around, I was in Kolkata because my college is in Kolkata, but everything related to COVID, people need to really stay home. So guys, I'm here stuck at my home doing my thing, and I hope you guys love it. I would really want you to make happy, because that's what I really want. Interaction with you, make you happy, to know me, to understand me, everything that could make the bond between you and me work out, guys. And I would really appreciate the fact that if you make this journey happen with me. So if you like me, if you think that I'm a person who is likable, who is really someone you can opt to, I would love you guys to like this video. If you like me, comment down below what you want me to do next. I would love to do anything, any challenge you guys want me to do, and will do it with all my might. And I promise guys, I'll never let you down. At least I'll try my best not to let you down. And lastly guys, please subscribe to this channel, guys, because subscription is something that will make you and me interact more. It will make you connected with me, because whenever I'll post a video, you will get the notification, and this is something that is lovely between you and me, because you and me needs to interact, guys. So that's all for this video. There are more contents gonna come. Please do see this channel, do show me love and please subscribe to this channel and share with it your friends. I would love and really share this with your friends. I would love more people to interact with me, love to know others and make this happen. So till then, stay tuned. Bye bye. Bye bye.